When your Hercules battery charger displays blinking red and green lights, this indicates a temperature-related issue that requires your attention. This blinking pattern means the charger has automatically paused the charging process because your battery temperature is outside the safe operating range. The ideal temperature range for safe battery charging is between 50 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 40 degrees Celsius. To resolve this issue, first check your battery's temperature. If the battery feels too hot, remove it from the charger and allow it to cool down naturally in a safe location. If the battery feels too cold, place it in a warmer location and allow the temperature to return to the normal range before attempting to charge again. Always remember to charge your batteries in a well-ventilated area for safety, and never force a battery into the charger if it doesn't fit properly. If the red and green lights continue blinking after addressing temperature issues, there may be a communication problem between your battery and charger. First, ensure the battery is properly inserted into the charger. Never force the battery into the charger, as this can damage both components. If the battery has been stored for a long time without charging, its voltage may have dropped too low for the charger to detect it properly. To jumpstart a low-voltage battery, you can connect it to a good 20-volt Hercules battery for about 15 seconds, positive to positive and negative to negative. Alternatively, you can use a 12-volt trickle charger, typically used for car batteries, to wake up the battery cells. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, remember that Hercules tools come with a warranty against defects. Contact Harbor Freight for warranty service and support.